opposition, let's talk about the showdown over the Bihar SIR that continues to escalate. As the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has announced his Vote Adhikar Yatra, the march that will begin from the 17th of August from Rohtas is now aimed at protesting what the Congress calls as vote chori and the special intensive revision of the voter list being carried out by the poll body, which is the Election Commission of India. Well, this announcement already came in on part of the Congress party, saying that this Yatra that would be headed by Rahul Gandhi himself in Bihar, because as far as this exercise that is being carried out, of course, parallelly when the matter that has also been taken up in the Supreme Court as well, the Congress party seems to be intensifying its fight against the SIR fight. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi as well. Sabyasachi, this announcement came in from the Congress party as Rahul Gandhi would be undertaking this Yatra, also expected when it comes to the other leaders in the opposition and the Mahagathbandhan expected to join this Yatra. Sabyasachi?
The other leaders of the India bloc will be part of this Yatra. Yesterday Mr. K.C. Venugopal held a meeting in Sasaram in Bihar with all the leaders of the India bloc, and in fact the stock of the preparations were also taken ahead of Mr. Rahul Gandhi Yatra in Sasaram, and the Congress party has been speaking about the SIR right from the beginning. In fact, they have been stating that the people of Bihar are standing with the Congress party as far as a special intensive revision of voter list is concerned, and the Congress party will not allow the illegal removal of the people named from the voter list is what the Congress party has been stating, and the route of this particular Yatra will be the same of Mr. Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra. It will be the same route that Mr. Rahul Gandhi will be carrying out this Yatra, and as the Congress party says that several thousands of people will be joining along with the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, in this Yatra, and leaders of the India bloc will also be part of this Yatra.
All right. The Mahagathbandhan leaders also expected to be part of this Yatra there. Let's in the meantime play out reactions coming in from the Congress party side, which is now gearing up for this Vote Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, and Congress party which continues to launch a sharp attack on the Election Commission and the BJP, where they say that the situation has become serious, that the Supreme Court had to intervene, and only did then the Election Commission respond to the demands of the opposition parties, where Congress has been alleging that there has been a broader conspiracy aimed at stripping the identity of the poor, Dalits, and leading to disenfranchisement.
तमाम हमारे जो वरिष्ठ नेता इंडिया अलायंस के बिहार से संबंधित हैं वो सब आएंगे, जुड़ेंगे और अपनी बात रखेंगे, लोगों की बात सुनेंगे, जैसा कि आपने भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में देखा, और खास तौर पे वोट के अधिकार को कैसे बचा के रखें, क्योंकि वोट का अधिकार तो पहला हमला है जो छीनने का, उसके बाद आपके जीवन का अधिकार, आपके अस्तित्व का अधिकार, आपकी पहचान, आपके लाभ योजनाओं से जो मिलते हैं वो तमाम पर एक हमला बोला जा रहा है। उसको रोकने के लिए हमारे तमाम नेता संपर्क साधेंगे आम नागरिकों से, वोटरों से, लोगों से।
When it comes to the Vipaksh is concerned, spearheading the campaign as far as launching new display pictures also for the Karyakartas and for the people there, as far as the vote chori campaign that has now been taken up to the ground there. This seems to be the Yatra that Rahul Gandhi would be undertaking in Bihar.